up? Hey everyone, it's Carly. You saw the title of this video, you know what we're doing, let's just get right into it. I will say, this video, not how I wanted it to be. Also, give me my Beyonce moment. With the fan, with the hair. Oh no, it just looks stupid, never mind. It's just little strands. Anyway, I let my family record for this video. Never doing that again. So I don't know what video looks like. I'm about to edit it right now to post it. Duh. And so it might be bad. Please still watch it because it could be entertaining to see people fail. Yeah, that's about it. Be like Scotty Sire, just transition. That was bad.
Good job. The what or the when, where. My favorite sweater was a present that I got a couple presidents ago, and I promised that I will rock it till it's threadbare.
Are you excited?
Every single person's got a couple skeletons, so pretty soon.
I don't have the skill and the patience to do that, so you got lucky. That's not your job. I told you to stand. Car. I told you to stand over there. Did you show your face? Don't think I'm not cutting that. So that is what I have for y'all today. Thanks so much for watching. If I'm talking quietly, it's because I still don't know if people can hear me outside. I don't know how this is gonna work out. So that was my move-in vlog. I have a video coming out where I give a full dorm tour, you know, like the very basic thing that every college YouTuber does whenever they move in. They gotta show their room. I'm adding to that. So that'll come out a couple days, couple weeks. I have no idea. I don't know what my upload schedule is right now. I have a few college-based videos coming out within the next couple uploads. So subscribe for that if you want to see that, or if you want to see other stuff, because I do a bunch of other stuff. So I already did the subscribe thing. Like this video you're a nice person. Comment. I never know what to say. What do you want to comment? Comment what you want. I don't really know. So that's this video. I don't have an outro. I'm just gonna cut off right here.